Doing another bee video here, as you can tell by the veil on my head. Doing a little hive inspection here. Had a lot of queen trouble with this hive earlier in the year. Yeah. Pretty good frame of brood there. Already been through this hive once. How good you can see. There's larvae around the edges there. Now you ain't gonna be able to see the queen cells, but there are eggs, but there are a few eggs right in this area here. I know the queen's here somewhere. I haven't been able to find her, but must be in here somewhere. Sorry about the camera work here. Kind of hard to do this job with one hand. Now, the other reason I'm doing a video today, I'm going to feed a banana. People say they don't like the idea because the smell of the banana is the same pheromone as their defensive pheromone. And they get really aggressive. But if you have chalk brood, I've had several old timers recommend feeding a banana. Set up the camera here. Set it. Give them a little extra smoke. Smoke is about out. Now, let's take a whole banana. I always wear gloves when I'm doing this, but I usually don't wear gloves when I'm examining a hive. But we're going to get pretty defensive here in a minute. I just sliced the banana. The banana right in the hive. I throw the peels on the ground. That way you don't have to go back in and a few days and get the peels out. I don't know if you can hear them, they're starting to get a little loud now. I like to overripe bananas when they start getting mushy. This one could have been a couple days older, but that's all I had. 3-4 days this banana will be gone. They'll consume that whole banana. I always tend to see a boost in the brood production. See, it clears up chalk brood. I've only seen a couple cells of chalk brood, but I'm just trying to give them a little boost here. I've had a lot of trouble with this hive. It's the only hive I have left. My nephew's got one of his hives here. Luckily I've wrapped some frames out of there to keep them going until I finally got a queen going. And there's probably, I'd say 8 frames with brood on, 8 to 10 frames at least with brood. So she's doing pretty good. I put the queen in the 3rd of July. Just going to take and set a super right on top of there. We're getting into some pretty heavy pollen flows here. You can see I got some goldenrod coming on. A little bit of bone set. Over there, there's some loosestrife. There's a lot of clover out there in the pastures. Queen Anne's lace, but they don't work that much. But there's quite a bit of stuff coming on. Oh, that's some knotweed here too. Black spotted knotweed. Or knapweed. Not the knotweed, it's knapweed. Over there. Bird's foot. I don't know if you can see that or not. Close up of that. Close it up. Get some hot weather here for a few days. Oop, forgot the inner cover. Some of you have explained to. I drill a 9/16 hole in the front of my deep boxes for extra ventilation and more entrance. In winter that gives you more ventilation. I also notch the bottom of my inner cover for a top entrance and a little extra ventilation. That way you get a chimney effect. Had a lot of hot, muggy days to help quite a bit. In the wintertime you get a lot less condensation. Because we've had several days of the 90s. I'm going to put a piece of goldenrod up here to prop the inner cover up, the top cover up a little bit. I make my top covers a little extra long so that it overhangs and gets the ventilation up there. Dog vein. There's any use for that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to leave comments, good or bad. Thank you for watching my video.